Good morning. Are these the Grey Bulls for processing today?
That's correct, sir. Everything is in order.
A little more to the left. Okay, hold it right there. Brakes on. All right, easy does it. Right this way, keep walking.
The posture suggests slight discomfort in the rear left.
Okay, I'll add that to the record. Anything on the respiratory?
Easy now, big fella, you're doing fine. It's 101.5, all good.
Got it.
Heart rate and breathing are excellent. Go ahead and log it as healthy.
All right, records updated. Horns look good, slight scabbing on the hind leg though.
All right, I've added that to the digital records. The next one is ready.
The gait on this one is excellent, very balanced. Confirmed, the data aligns with the visual assessment. Healthy and active, just as expected.
Physical looks good, we can approve.
Records match the microchip data here.
Excellent, everything is verified. The feed conversion looks excellent here, B. The animals are clearly thriving on this diet. Yes, sir, we've seen significant weight gains since we standardized the fodder mix. Quality check complete. Everything is spotless and verified. Excellent work, team. Let's begin the hydration process. The sanitation levels look good here.
Thank you. We just calibrated the flow meter.
Pressure is holding steady. Everything checks out. The station is ready for the next group. Is the drainage system clear? Yes, confirmed. All safety meters are in place. All right, excellent job. Ensure they remain calm before the high pressure begins.
We are monitoring the first group closely.
Make sure you get the neck area right there.
Yes, Supervisor, I see it.
This one is spotless. Mark it down.
Already done. The team is doing excellent work today.
This is perfect work, exactly what we expect. Make sure to log the cleaning time and the brush type used.
Careful with the transfer. Watch the belt speed.
Batch 42 confirmed for processing, Supervisor.
Spotless. Grooming results are excellent. We are good to go.
Place the meat onto the conveyor belt now, carefully. Make sure the nozzles are clear before we start the high-pressure wash.
Looks good. Let's finalize the logs now.
Records updated. Sanitation check complete.
Understood.
The batch is ready for cutting.
All right, everyone, let's keep the pace steady. We need to clear the current batch by noon. And remember, safety first. These cuts are perfect. Well done. Thank you, Supervisor. Check the specifications here. All right, I'll adjust the cut. Good, maintain the flow.
How's this batch looking for the grinder? Looks good, nice clean cuts, send it on down the line.
Inspection complete. We are ready for grinding. The texture is consistent.
Standards verified. Continue the run. Consistency looks good, technician. Verified for release. Please update the records.
Yes, Supervisor.
Inspection complete. Ensure batch codes are applied correctly.
Confirmed. We are commencing packing operations.
Inventory checks complete. Everything looks good to go.
Great, I'll get this loaded right away.
The quality control team ensures every hide meets our rigorous standards before being digitally logged for production.
The grain pattern and flexibility are perfect on this hide. I agree, the surface quality is exceptional. We can approve this for the premium jackets.
Can we optimize the nesting around this curve? Yes, I'll shift it slightly. Good. Once marked, we can start cutting.
The front panels look accurate according to the design specifications.
Yes, madam. I will organize them into the production trays now.
Check the alignment here, John.
Looks good. The seam strength is perfect.